Google Pixel 7. Let's unbox this phone and check out some of its features. This is their snow color, which is glossy white with silver colored trim. In the box we get the phone, charging cable, and a USB to USB-C adapter. Front and back of this phone is made of Gorilla Glass, and all the trim is made of aluminum. I also have this phone in lemongrass color, which is a light green with gold trim. This phone comes in 3 different colors, including obsidian, which I don't have here today. First thing I'd like to do is change this wallpaper. Okay, that's better. The first feature I'd like to show you that I really like in this phone is whenever you have music playing in your environment, your phone will automatically identify the song that's playing and display it on your lock screen. This feature is turned off by default, so to turn it on you have to go into your settings, sound and vibration, and then you scroll down to now playing, and just make sure the toggles are turned on, and then also you can click on the history to see the full list of the songs. This phone has a tool called Lens in the camera app under modes. It allows you to take pictures of objects that it will search for you. And I know other phones do that as well, but this one seems to be the most accurate one I've used so far. I want to try another object here that doesn't have any writing or logos on it. I have an Apple Watch. Let's see if it recognizes it. And just like that, within seconds it pulls up correct search results. This next cool feature I would like to show you is within the Google Maps. It actually applies to all the phones that use Google Maps for navigation. But I just learned about this, so I thought I'd demonstrate it on this phone. Whenever navigating while walking, click on this little icon down here and it will open up a camera through which you will look at your surroundings, and you will see these 3D arrows appear, which are pointing towards your destination. This makes it so much easier to navigate than looking at a map. Next, I'd like to check out the video camera, which has 4 different stabilization options. I'm particularly interested in this active mode, which is meant for running or walking or any physical activity. I'm just gonna walk and see how stable the footage is. On the left, you can see the footage recorded. The phone did a great job at stabilizing the video, although I did notice that the video quality was greatly reduced. Now I'm gonna compare the video quality with the stabilizer set to standard. As you can see in the footage on the left, the quality of the video is much better, the image looks much sharper, and it's still pretty stable. Another mode I would like to look at within the camera app is called motion. Whenever you take a picture with this mode on, it just adds a motion blur, making the image a little bit more interesting. And the last feature that I would like to check out on this phone is called the Magic Eraser. It's a tool that allows you to remove any unwanted objects within the image. To demonstrate this, I'm going to switch to screen recording. And what you do is you open up the image, click on Edit, go to Tools, find the Magic Eraser, and then just circle the object that you would like to remove from the picture, and just like that, magically it disappears, making the image much cleaner. Thank you for watching.